what do you want to do today? I don't know, Elmo. I really don't know. Oh, I got an idea. What, Big Bird?
Wait, I show you. Let's watch Ice Taste the Meltdown.
What? No! No, we are not watching Ice Taste the Meltdown. It's not animated. It's crap. What? It's crap. I don't know. They recorded it in the camera, and they recorded it. It's crap.
But Big Bird. But look.
Animated.
What?
Get that thing out of my face. Get out. But Elmo, get out. Do never talk about Ice Taste the Meltdown. Oh, I wonder who could that be, Grover? Big Bird, why are you here to talk about that crappy Ice Taste the Meltdown? Why are you here? Get out.
But I'm your friend.
Sit down, Big Bird. And if you ever talk about Ice Taste the Meltdown in my house one more time, your yellow beak is going to turn into a big, red, moldy beak. Okay, sheesh. So, guys, what do you want to do today?
I don't know.
Me neither. Oh, I got it. Let's do Pokemon Go. Yeah! Pokemon Go!
Why is everyone talking about Pokemon Go? That is the most stupidest game ever.
Big Bird, do you want to get out again? No. Okay, let's just play Pokemon Go. Oh, come on, Big Bird. Don't you just want to try it?
No.
Please? This is not peer pressuring. If it was peer pressuring, I would be asking you to do a cigarette. But I'm not doing that. So can you just please try it? Please? Please, Big Bird.
Okay. When I die, you stay away from my funeral.
Okay. Ah! He's gonna love it. I got a coin. I know. Oh yeah, so good. Oh, I love taking a poop. Plop. Oh.
I'm gonna catch a Charizard.
But Big Bird, what are you doing in my bathroom?
Gonna catch a Charizard. But. Oh no, he escaped. I caught him.
Team Mystic. Team Instinct.
Catching Pokemon.
Big Bird, what are you doing? Nothing. Why are you so nervous? Why are you sweating so much? And why are you say catching Pokemon? And why?
No, Elmo, it's not what you think. No, Elmo, no.
You better listen to me, Elmo. You like Pokemon Go, don't you, Big Bird? Yes.
I love Pokemon Go.
I knew it. Nobody can resist Pokemon Go.
Catching Pokemon.
Here's my phone. Catching Pokemon.
Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go.
Oscar, I need to go in your trash. Can I to catch a Pikachu?
No.
Thank you.
Wait, what? Yeah. What? Yeah.
Come in here, Pikachu.
Big Bird, get out. Come in here, Pikachu. Big Bird, get out.
Hey, look, I found a hot dog.
Wait, I only got a hot dog in my trash. Get out. Get out.
Fine, I don't need you. I can catch some other Pokemon if I have to.
I don't care. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. Grover, do you think Big Bird is taking Pokemon Go too far? I don't know. It's you and me and my destiny. Pokemon. Yeah, I think he's taking too far. What are we gonna do? Well, we can always go to the creator. You never thought of that, Elmo? Okay, let's go.
Money. Money.
Creator, I think Pokemon Go, I think it's ruining my friend. Ruining your friend? What am I supposed to do about it? It's his fault. He's playing Pokemon Go. It's his fault, and you know that. You spit on me. Anyway, do you have anything to do? Yeah. I mean, he's not really my friend. We're frenemies. But what did you do? He tried to catch a Charizard in my thing, my bathroom. And he says he Mystic. I says he Instinct. Well,
I got nothing to do with it.
well, Grover, there's always Bird. Oh, yeah. What? We need your help. You do? You need my help with what? Because Big Bird, he's obsessed with Pokemon Go. Can you help us? Oh, yeah. Come with me. So, what seems to be the problem? Because Big Bird, he's addicted to Pokemon Go. Can you help me? Addicted? Yeah. What? I don't even play Pokemon Go. I do! Me too! Okay, anyway, there's one thing that can help him stop being obsessed with it. There is? Yeah. It's this. Ah! What is that? Get it away! Get it away! Get it away! You monster. Calm down. It's a magical pencil. A magical pencil? That's not how pencils look. It's just a magical pencil. Look, you put it on your foot. I'm not putting it on my foot because I don't want it. You put it on your foot, and you can stop being addicted to something. Is it dangerous? What time is it? And it's not Big Bird's fault. It's Pokemon Go's fault. But I hate you, Pokemon Go! Elmo, calm down. Elmo. Die, Pokemon Go! Die! now. You okay? Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm okay.
Guys, oh, this is great. I finally caught Pikachu.
Okay. Oh, Big Bird, put this in your foot.
Why?
Just put this in your foot.
Okay.
What's happening? Big Bird, you okay? It will lose its memory of Pokemon Go. It's the only choice.
What's happened?
Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Bye-bye.
What?
Oh, and Big Bird? Yes. Team Valor.